They're really not so fresh. Yeah.
Style with myself because I'm fucking awesome.
I think the boys will like it. They'll keep on saying it. What's this? Bubbles. Maybe clean your camera next time. You're like obsessed with me.
The next day.
That's a lucky light. Girl. Maybe they shoot up its own.
Style with myself because I'm fucking awesome.
Fit, so I couldn't eat a thing today. So now I'm about to go.
Because our stomach.
Hi.
Am I walking on like really soft surface? Because all my slippers are like hard. Like it's so comfortable. MS.
I think
Big guys gonna let us pass
I
already.
just was saying, I can't remember the last time I saw people playing football on the road.
That's kind of nice. Feels very neighborhoody.
Yeah, lovely.
She say hi.
To still do music.
Hi girl.
Hi, girl.
Who's driving?
Me.
Me.
Good stuff. My name is Trick.
But I speak English.
Oh, you're so beautiful.
France.
Oh my God, very
It's French. That's big on insultion. And then the funny thing is, she's having us act for her YouTube. Hi.
It's raining, raining. Assholes. Gonna let the rain pour. Those cars are. Ooh. Jam it. Good. Everything.
are green not so fresh.
Yeah.
Alright, babe.
There will be better, baby.